you still shouting for your partner to hear you when you are riding? You can actually fit your helmet with an intercom so that you only need to communicate with your partner by talking into it. So, what kind of intercom function is what you need? I will be testing an intercom today, so let's take a look. It's like a water drop shape, with the buttons all on the right side. We will start with the intercom unit and we then have the user manual, speaker microphone, audio cable, USB charging cable, screw, clip mounting bracket, product box, Velcro pad. It's like a water drop shape with the buttons all on the right side. It looks nice on a helmet, right? There are two methods of pairing. Method 1. When Bluetooth is off, press the power button for 4 seconds. Red and blue lights flash alternately. There are two methods of pairing. Method 2. When Bluetooth is turned on, press the power button and phone button for 2 seconds simultaneously. Red and blue lights flash alternately. Next, I will show you some basic functions of BT-S3. How to turn on the FM function. Double-click on the phone button. How to reject or hang up a call. Hang up, should press the phone button to end a phone call. Reject, double-click the phone button for 2 seconds. How to turn on the voice assistant function. Press the phone button for 2 seconds to activate Siri or S-Voice. They are fully protected against the light splashes done with IP65 water resistance ratings. BT-S3 Basic Function Introduction. 2 riders intercom, Bluetooth 5.0, 0.18 miles 1-to-1 communication distance, CSR chip for noise cancellation. The fit and finish is good for the price. The buttons are easy to press even with riding gloves. The blue or black color blends in well with most helmets. The sound quality for music is way better than I expected. It's at least as good as the Apple weared earbuds. Perhaps just being inside the helmet makes it richer. I'm not sure, but unless you are an audio snob, you will be quite pleased. These audio units are a great value. They work better than expected. I was hesitant about spending hundreds on the name brands as the new technology should be out soon. I'm glad I bought the BT-S3 instead.